As a content creator, we need background music, sound effects to make our videos really good, engaging, and this sounds great here. But getting the copyright and infringement free music is really the hard way. That's why there are some platforms available like the Epidemic Sound and the Band Sound. But to get the access for the commercial license, you have to pay the monthly charges or the subscription fees here. For example, in the personal pricing, you can see it is starting from the $6 per month, and for the commercial license you have to pay the $12 per month. If you don't know, in the commercial license you can use this sound in your videos, in your advertisement, in your background sign. So many great ways you can use the sound effects here. So to get this commercial license is really essential here, but the pricing is the huge because you have to pay the monthly subscription charges. Until you are not a big name or the big player in the industry, you cannot, I think, afford that kind of the sound here. But the same goes for the another platform like the Band Sound. You have to pay the €9 per month here, and for the extended commercial license you have to pay the around the €20 per month here. So what if there's a platform with the lifetime deal? You can get the same kind of the music. In fact, you can even create or generate your own music according to your taste. And let me tell you, you don't need to be a musician or have any knowledge about the musician instruments. Okay, for example, I have created this music here with the help of this AI tool that can help you to generate the music. Let me first let you hear this sound. Okay, this is just the 10 seconds glimpse I have showed you of this sound created, and this sound is generated in around the 1 minute, and I don't have any musician knowledge or even the know about the musical instrument. All I did, just click here on the prompt genius and it's just generated the prompt, and after that I have just created clicked here on the generate button. If I want to do any of the changes here, I can also do that, but if I click here on the generate, it will take just few seconds to generate that sound or music that I can use whatever project I want, because I am getting the commercial license with one-time payment here. Don't worry, I am going to talk about its lifetime deal too, but first let me hear you this sound here that I have just generated in front of you, and there are the 4 variants available in front of me. So let me just click here. So tell me in the comments whether you like this sound effect or this background sound or not. It's really essential for me to know about your thoughts. Okay, and there are also the variants available, but if I just hear you all and play all these sounds, it will make the video really long. So what I suggest you, go to this AI tool, get its lifetime deal, and try this tool out yourself and let me know whether you are amazed or not. So this tool name is the Mixaudio. This is the AI music generator. You can even generate the text and some sound effects. I know this is the new tool here, but let me tell you, this is the really mind-boggling tool here, because it is also got the award in the CES 2013 and the GDA 2014. It has the really cool tool here, and if you are the musician, you have a lot of the music requirement. If you want a lot of kind of the good music and without paying the monthly subscription, this deal you should not miss out, because the pricing is just $49 here. And if I scroll down below, there are some dashboard glimpse available. Don't worry, I am also going to give a detailed features demo. Just stay with me for the few seconds and let's just kill this. Okay, so there are the 2 plans available. In the plan 1, you will get the unlimited downloads per month, unlimited AI generation, but you can only monetize one social media channel, whether it can be your live stream, podcast, or the YouTube channel. But in the plan 2, you will get some extra features and the extra social media monetization option. For example, here you will get the unlimited social media channels or the platforms monetized. Means no matter which social media you use, you can use the generated music everywhere. Then there's the Stealth music generation, AI remix downloads, and the certified music license PDF. This is the commercial license I am talking about, because every music you are going to generate, you will get the exclusive rights and the license for that music. Means that music is just owned to you. Okay, you can see it here, 100% copyright cleared, monetize on YouTube. Means these are the two major doubts you have right now, like whether you want to use this music on your YouTube channel and it is possible to get any infringement copyright or not. So let me tell you, you will not get any copyright here, plus you can monetize your videos on the YouTube too. Okay, so the pricing is just $49 starting, but what I suggest get is the tier 2 plan, because here you will get the more extra feature. So if you want to check out this deal, the link will be given in the description. And somehow you are not happy with the tool, what you can do, just return it within the 60 days and your 100% money will be back. That's the cool thing about the AppSumo. So now let me give you the its features demo. So this is the dashboard. If I go to the Mixaudio, here you will also find out some of the its app that you can download or install on your iOS or Android device. And if I scroll down below, there are some music demos and the generated music you can hear out to get the idea. These are all the music that generated by the other users. Okay, so if I click here on the AI BGM, means background music, here you can check it out. There are some music that I have generated, it is here, and this setting option available: high range, this is the mid range, this is the bass, this is rhythm, this is effect. All these things I can easily customize, and there's also the separate customize button available. So let me just click it here and show you, give you the glimpse. Okay, and now you can check it out. Music, here you can see for the every instrument you have the option whether you want to enable it, disable it, you want to add, you want to change the things. There's the this bass option, this is the mid range, this is high range, this is effect. If I click here on the effects, there's so many good things available here. I can increase the volume. So there are so many good ways to customize the music here. And if I click here on the AI remix, this is also really cool feature available. Suppose you have your already a music available, but you want to do a little bit changes, so AI remix section is just for you. There's also some of your favorite artists can be available here. You can find their track and select them and remix them. But if haven't find out any your favorite artist track here, what you can do, just click here. Here you can check it out, choose image file or drop it here. So there's some option available to add the image. Okay, this is for the remix option. If I go to the BGM, let me click here, and here you will also find out to add your audio URL, or you can also upload your audio or music here, and then let's Mixaudio AI to customize that music for you in the just most easiest way without getting any knowledge about the music. Okay, how it sounds like, isn't it just exciting? Then we have this AI radio option available. Okay, so I don't know much about this AI audio, but I can tell you this is also a great feature available to getting started with the radio or the music here. Then this is the explore button. If you want to explore the generated music with the Mixaudio AI, then just go to this explore section, and here you will find out other users music. You can listen them, you can check out them, and if how some of the any music you like it, you can see this customize option is available. You can customize that music as in front of you within this single click, and then make it that music for you. This is the best part, what I like it. You are free whatever the thing you want to do with your music. So this is the Mixaudio. Right now its lifetime deal is available on the AppSumo, starting from the just $49 to get its commercial license and the certified music license. You have to get its plan too. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I didn't make this video that much long because myself I don't know about that music or the instruments, but I know about the AI tool, and I think this is the tool I should have covered earlier, but no worries, you can just get this tool right now. So bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one. If you enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel to stay updated these kind of the AI tools, videos, updates and comparisons. Bye bye, take care.